Pistol squat progression, the path to mastery.
Pistol squats are impressive, challenging single-leg squats that require strength, balance, and flexibility. Learning to perform a perfect pistol squat at home involves gradual progressions, patience, and proper technique. With the right step-by-step approach, almost anyone can master this advanced move, building powerful legs and improving overall body control.
Building your foundation, mobility and balance.
Before attempting a pistol squat, focus on developing ankle, knee, and hip mobility. Perform deep bodyweight squats, lunges, and ankle stretches. Work on holding a deep squat position and balancing on one leg. These foundational movements increase flexibility and ensure your joints can handle the pistol squat's full range of motion.
Assisted pistol squats, the first progression.
Start with assisted pistol squats by holding onto a sturdy object like a door frame or chair. Use your arms for support as you lower and raise yourself on one leg. This helps you practice the movement pattern safely, allowing you to build strength while maintaining balance and perfecting your squat form.
Mastering eccentrics in partial reps.
Once you're comfortable with assisted squats, practice slow negatives. Lower yourself on one leg as far as possible, then use both legs to stand up. You can also try partial pistol squats to a box or chair to build strength through the bottom portion of the movement. These progressions help your muscles and joints adapt safely.
Achieving the full pistol squat.
When you can control lowerings and partial reps, it's time to attempt unassisted pistol squats. Extend your arms for balance, keep your chest up, and lower slowly. Don't rush. Keep practicing, focusing on good form and full controlled movements. With dedication, you'll achieve strong, smooth pistol squats right at home.
Tips for success and common mistakes.
Consistency is key. Practice pistol squat progressions a few times per week alongside your regular training. Warm up thoroughly before each session and listen to your body to avoid injury. Common mistakes include rounding your back, letting the knee collapse inward, or rushing progress. Focus on form and gradual improvement for safe, sustainable results.